video, let's talk about functions in PHP. So what is a function and how it is useful in PHP? Let's start by creating one file name called functions.php. So let's say in PHP function example. So let's check. PHP basics 1_func functions.php. What we did wrong, 1_fun. Okay, spelling mistake. So this is a PHP function exam. Okay, so let's try to write one function, total marks. Okay, total marks of a student. So for this I'll use for each we will loop this and get the sum. Let's suppose sum plus equals value. So what we'll do, we will return this value. So let's declare sum is equal to 0. So we should return not in the for loop but the last. Return sum. So let's create an array. Let's suppose row 1 equals, so how many marks he got. Let's suppose we have 6 subjects. For each subject he scored 56, 97, 65, 78, 76, and finally in max he got passing marks. So now I want to get the sum. Sum equals total marks Rohan equal total marks scored by Rohan out of 600 is SUM. Okay, let's save this sum of let it put in this way. We'll copy this, we'll add here. Oh, dollar is missing. So what this will print, once we check this is in array format, we are sending this is marks to this function. What this function is doing, let's see. Total marks scored by Rohan out of 600 is 417. Okay, so let's add another function. Average function, total average total marks. Okay, so average is equals 0, average equals total marks divided by 6. Return average. So what this function will do, here if we add break, then it will come in a new line. So now let us concat here, and his average is average of Rohan equals total average unit sum of Rohan, so total marks. So it will return the average of Rohan, and his average is save it. Let's see. This is a PHP function example. Total marks scored by Rohan out of 600 is 417, and his average is 69.7. So in this way we can use functions, our inbuilt functions based on our requirement in any project. So these functions can be used for n number of students, which those who are studying in the school, and these kind of functions we can write in our own format based on our requirement. So stay tuned for the more videos like this. We'll share with examples, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.